This is a review of everything we talked about in the faculty meeting today. This is Comic Life 101, how to use it, where to access it, and how to save it. We're going to go to our Applications folder, open in Finder, and find Comic Life. That's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to avoid this Magic thing. It's not really meant for our screen size. Drag Comic Life down into our dock and open it up. It's going to open. We're going to have access to all the photos in our iPhoto library, which is where you want to start. You're going to want to get all your photos ready first. All right. You got pages. Increase the number of pages is down here, this plus sign. You can add pages as needed. The page that's highlighted in blue is the page that you're working on, just like in Keynote. Here are all the different templates for the frames on the side here. So all it is drag and drop. Now I've got access to photos. Now if I click on this drop box here and go to events, I can see everything laid out here. I'm going to go down to Barnyard, and here are the pictures that I have access to, and it's just a drag and drop type deal. So to edit the pictures, you want to double click and drag and move. Double click, move and drag. Double click, make them orange. Here's the style box. Acrylic comic works well, oil on canvas, old school, all of those different options for you to use. Let's change that to acrylic comic. Change this one to old school. And then we will drop in some speech bubbles. So let's set the scene. Drop that one up. Earlier today at the barn yard, ... And we can maneuver those around by clicking on them. We can stretch them. With the green boxes highlighted, we can hit Apple A and go to bigger, bigger, bigger. All right. Actually, it's not when the green is. You got to double click on it. All right. Then we will go down here to the speech bubbles. We can change the direction. Double click on the inside. Says the duck. Apple A to highlight it. We could also go to Edit, Select All, and we'll go bigger, bigger, bigger to make that a little bit bigger. Now, if our text doesn't fit, we can always stretch that bubble so that it does fit. We can move this. Last option is the lettering option. We want that to be a little more emphasis on what he's saying. We can change the style here, and that's just a stretch and move kind of thing. And that's really it. A couple options on the save. You can export it to QuickTime, and it'll do like a slideshow type deal. You can drop it into iWeb, share it a page at a time. You can email it. And really, that is it for Comic Life.